I am Rochelle Swan from this Add2It, and today I will present my completion for EM13 Technical Writing, where in this module serves as a self-instructional guide showcasing the 11 essential technical documents designed with clarity and professional accuracy with my time and effort. So, in this module, it will help you see examples of technical writing and understand the necessary information across the documents. But of course, our journey through this module covers everything from sales letters and memos to digital media like web pages and PowerPoints. So first, we have our example here, the sales letters, where it showcases the Munchkin Mallows, where this document demonstrate audience recognition by using a friendly tone, greetings, while maintaining clarity and describing the product, where a decent mashup of graham crackers and marshmallows. Then, and document 2 is where the letter of inquiry regarding the Tarabasa program. In this technical writing, inquiry letter must be direct. So I focused on the conciseness and clarity, stating my intent to join and requesting the specific application of requirement to Dr. Cabosa, where he is the coordinator. Next is the memo, where it serves as the internal communication. Notice the header format to, from, subject, is where this is for accessibility, allowing busy classmates to set at a glance that we have an earnest presentation on March 28th. So likely it is directed fully or where it came from and where with who is the receiver. Then the email. The example here is a formal request for grade information to Sir Ponpon, the teacher. It demonstrates the accuracy and honesty by explaining how technical issues like low internet connection and hindered task. Like there, the letter written. Now we have the reports. It is the summary of Hugpong 2026. Uh, for the report, I documented the Hugpong 2026 event, technical writing in technical writing report, which is must be objective. So I include both the success of the event and the challenges, like the lack of chairs and the sun exposure, especially, and the maintain of accuracy. To maintain accuracy. And now we have our resume, where it is a professional document that is specifically designed for quick accessibility on yourself with the clear headings for your skills, your work experience, and education, where ensuring an employer can see or scan my qualifications in seconds. So now we have the instructions, where the process of making something, which in my example here, I have the marshmallow process, which I also included the ingredients, specific ingredients, and the following is the accurate examples, which is very necessary since technical writing, it really involves the direct and accurate instructions. So if you want follow the steps and isn't accurate in right order, the user or the maker will really fail. And then the web pages and PowerPoint, which my example showcase the YouTube and PowerPoint presentation, where this section highlights how information is organized digitally using virtual queues on platforms. Like I said, where my examples is YouTube and Padlet, Padlet PowerPoint to engage to, to the users or viewers. And now we have the brochures, where in my example it is really eye-catching, which this type of um, visual or something like technical writing is audience recognition type and visual appeal, where it explains our mission um, of building creativity through art, where here we can see about us, why choose us. So there are informations, and of course the the company name and also the program, which the very important. Now we are in the 10th, which is the newsletter that in my example I named it titled Study and Balance, which provides the insights about content for students in 2026, where focusing on managing time and energy effectively. Like, it's an insight for students, especially college students. Then last, we have flyers, and in my example, I I used friends photography as its title or something, where we have um photography package, where in this document prioritizes conciseness conciseness using brief bullet points to um list of package details and parsing for potential clients. Like, for example, the package 1, the package 2, and the package 3. That is flyers. Lastly, each of these documents was reviewed to ensure they meet the standards for technical writing. So, thank you for your time, and I hope this module provides a clear example of effective communication in the field of EM30 technical writing. Thank you.